This 2016 Keystone Cougar XLite 3.2 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, water heater, microwave, leveling jacks, refrigerator, TV antenna, oven, air conditioning, slide out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.